Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to change dimension text size in AutoCAD 2026. So let's get started. First, click on the dimension whose text size you want to change so you can identify which dimension style is currently in use. Over here, check the selected dimension carefully and understand which style is applied to it because this is what you will modify next. After that, go to the command line and type DIMSTY and press Enter to open the Dimension Style Manager. Then, in the Dimension Style Manager, select the style used by your dimension and click on the Modify button to edit it. Over here, go to the Text tab inside the Dimension Style window and find the Text Height option to adjust your dimension text size. After that, change the text height value by typing a new number and experiment if needed until the size looks perfect for your drawing. Then press OK to apply the changes and let AutoCAD update your dimension text automatically. Over here, review your drawing again, and if needed, adjust the value again until your dimension text is clear, readable, and properly sized. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.